Welcome to another lesson. In previous video, we learned about producing high-quality content. Now let's learn editing. Editing is where your raw footage transforms into a polished, engaging story. Let's get started. 1. Introduction to video editing software. Video editing might sound technical, but it's really about creativity and structure. Your editing software is the workspace where you shape your final product. There are many options available, depending on your budget, experience level, and platform. If you're a beginner, start with simple and free tools like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or iMovie. These programs offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces that make learning easy. If you're ready for more advanced control, consider Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or Filmora. These editors provide powerful features like color correction, motion effects, and advanced audio tools. No matter which tool you choose, the key is to learn the basics first. Start by practicing how to import clips, trim footage, arrange scenes on a timeline, and export your video in the right format. Every cut, clip, and transition helps your audience understand your message more clearly. 2. Adding effects, transitions, and graphics. Now that you've chosen your software, let's make your video visually appealing and dynamic. Effects, transitions, and graphics are the tools that add personality and flow to your content. A. Effects. Video effects can enhance your visuals or correct imperfections. For example, you can adjust brightness, contrast, and color tones to make your video more vibrant. You can also apply slow motion, zoom-ins, or blur effects to highlight important moments. But remember, moderation is key. Overusing effects can distract viewers instead of engaging them. Use them purposefully to support your story, not overshadow it. B. Transitions. Transitions help you move smoothly from one scene to another. A simple fade, slide, or cut is often more effective than flashy animations. Use transitions to create rhythm in your video. Consistency in your transitions helps your video look more professional and less chaotic. C. Graphics and text. Graphics are another way to make your videos stand out. Add titles, lower thirds, and pop-up texts to introduce topics, highlight key points, or show your social media handles. Visual elements like icons, arrows, or motion graphics can help guide your viewers' attention. For example, when explaining a concept, use on-screen text to emphasize keywords. Keep your fonts and colors consistent with your channel's branding. This gives your content a polished, recognizable style that strengthens your brand identity. 3. Ensuring audio and visual quality. A professional-looking video isn't just about visuals. It's about balance between sound and image. Audio and visual quality together define how pleasant your video is to watch. Start by checking your audio clarity. Remove background noise using noise reduction feature. Normalize your sound levels so that your voice isn't too loud or too soft. Add background music to set the mood. Choose royalty-free music that fits your content's tone. Upbeat for tutorials, calm for educational videos, or cinematic for storytelling. For visuals, pay attention to color correction and white balance. Even small adjustments can make your video look cleaner and more consistent. Always preview your final video before uploading. Editing is more than just cutting and joining clips. It's about rhythm, storytelling, and emotion. Good editing keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. It removes distractions, highlights your best moments, and helps your personality shine through. So don't rush this process. Take your time to experiment, refine, and find your editing style. Conclusion. Editing is the bridge between your vision and your audience's experience. It's where creativity meets precision. Remember, every successful YouTuber started with simple edits and improved over time. So open your editor, explore the tools, and start crafting stories that truly stand out. In the next video, we will learn to uploading and optimizing your YouTube videos. Thank you.